with Flash Printing Depot. It's your guy Carl here, and I am in the middle of building a open source, free, 100% free open source DTF Gang Sheet Builder for businesses and for customers. Right now, businesses, we're having to pay a huge percent of our profits towards having this piece of software built into our Shopify websites or any website. Right now, I forgot what the percentage is, but if you are out there using a DTF, if you are out there purchasing DTF Gang Sheets and you use the builder, that costs the person that hosts it. So it's not a free app in Shopify. It costs all of us, and I'm a DTF printer and all of us are. And there's a huge cost with that because the software that's out there, they charge you every time we download your image. So if you're the customer, you come in here, you upload your image. We're gonna go over here to Flash Custom Transfers. We're gonna upload a logo. Now again, this is still in early development. I'm still developing it, but what I want you guys to see is this feature that I just was able to implement now. So now I can scale. I can't crop yet, but I can at least scale up and down. And this is not free for me. This is not free for me. It's still costing me to have the AI software to be able to help me develop this. And again, this is not, what you're looking at is not gonna be the final look of it either. I'm gonna change the UI as well. I'm just getting functionality down. So this is gonna take a very long time. I'm hoping to have it ready for Printing United if I can get some other developers to help me. So if you're a developer and you are big on open source and getting people products like me, I'm very big on open source. Remember, ChatGPT first started out free. Now it's paid, but ChatGPT did first start out free. I would love at least like a basic form of this software. Maybe if there is a paid one, it has like a little more features, but for the basic functionality of a DTF Gang Sheet Builder that can be implemented into Shopify websites, I would love this software that I'm building to be able to do that. And I'm also going to change the look of it so it's just super easy, and then we'll develop an app as well. So this is where I'm at. I'm extremely excited that I even got this far. You can now move your logo around the screen and start to set up your gang sheet. Some of the flaws right now, if I were to try to add another logo, it would freeze. So, and again, when you're using AI, if you don't know, there's only a certain amount of credits, and unless you got like an unlimited budget, you have to stop after you use your credits. So with that being said, I am developing this open source software because it costs right now. If I just uploaded this and I'm like, okay, I'm coming to flashcustomtransfers.com and I just click their gang sheet builder and now I'm using this, the second you submit your gang sheet to us as the people who print the sheets, the second we go in through our Shopify and look at your order and then we hit link and then we hit download, we are charged. We are charged. So a lot of people, and we're a wholesaler. We wholesale our gang sheets. So out of the $7.34 or whatever it is, I'm also working too on redoing the website here as well. I think I have the prices down here. Yeah, $7.34, 22 by 24. That cost for us to download your gang sheet comes out of that $7.34. So we're trying to keep our prices as low and wholesale as possible so that you can sell the gang sheets or have as much profit in it for you. But now, because we are doing that, we have to find ways to maximize our profits that's still beneficial to everybody. So right now we have to pay for your traditional gang sheet builder. It just is what it is. Most people, if they come to your site, you don't have a gang sheet builder, they'll just leave. They'll just go somewhere else because that's just what people are used to. So me, I'm an engineer of mine. I love creating stuff. I love inventing stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to create my own gang sheet builder. I'm smart enough to do it. I know how to use AI really well. Together, I think that I can do it. And this is where I'm at so far. I'm at to the point to where you can upload your image and put it on the gang sheet. Now, again, it doesn't change this. This actually doesn't change. These squares are a little weird. Everything looks a little off. But again, if there are some developers who are looking to help me out, that'd be great. I would love to collaborate. Just leave a comment down below or email me at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com and we can discuss furthering this software. I would love to have it ready for Printing United in October. So I'm going to try to get some partners on board to see if we can release an open source, fully accessible to everybody gang sheet builder. This way, it doesn't cost companies. Now, will there be maybe like a Gang Sheet Builder Pro that may cost, right? Because something's, we're all there has to be a profit somewhere. But I would like the base of the software. Like if you're a small business and you're just starting out and you only have a few customers, you need this software. You need to be able to upload you need to be able to put this into your Shopify website or whatever, incorporate it into whatever website that you are using, and the customer needs to be able to use it. And I also want it to be available to the customer so that they can, without going to anybody's website, they can just create the gang sheets on their own, export them, and then submit already made gang sheets, which is super easy because right now, if you go to flashcustomtransfers.com, which we can right here, you can just upload an already made gang sheet. You have that option to just already upload. And this doesn't cost us any, even though this costs us per month, like $7 or $8 per month for this app, which I'm going to create my own free upload button as well, open source upload button, and incorporate it into my website and allow it to be open source so everybody can incorporate it into your website. This way, everybody's making more profits. There's more profits for everybody because you're cutting your overhead costs. But yeah, so I would love for people to be able to just go into their desktop or just go to whatever website, create their own gang sheet, download it. It costs absolutely nothing. Then they just come to whatever website that they're purchasing. Hopefully you purchase from flashcustomtransfers.com, and you just click choose file, you select your gang sheet, and then boom, you upload it, and it doesn't cost us anything. It doesn't cost you anything, and we're able to just print your work at a great price of $734 and just move forward if you're using 22 by 24. A lot of people have been doing the 120s for $36. Again, we are wholesale. So please just be patient with me. I'm trying my hardest. Again, if there's anybody out there, maybe I don't know if I'm going to put a donate or if I'm going to run not a GoFundMe, if I'm going to run a Kickstarter or not. But I truly believe that this software, the Gang Sheet Builder, trust me, the Gang Sheet Builder the ideas that I have in my head are not going to look like this. It's not going to look like this. I have a UI in mind that I want it to look like. And I want it to look a lot more modern because the current Gang Sheet Builders, I love it. It works great. The customer service is really good. I truly love it. It's just, when you look at your expense at the end of the year, it's extremely expensive. So I'm looking to help other businesses out there to create an open source alternative. Everybody knows, like in everything in software, there's always an open source alternative. Even Google, right? Google Docs created an open source alternative. Google Docs is an open source free alternative to Microsoft Word. Google Slides is an open source free alternative to, PowerPoint. Google Sheets is an open source free alternative to Excel. So all I'm trying to do is just create an open source free alternative to all the other paid Gang Sheet Builders out there. And again, if you want Pro, just like in Google, if you want Pro features, you can use Google for free for a very long time and have no issues. Or you can have Google Pro if you want like Pro Gemini, like what I have, and it's $19 a month, or Google One or whatever, right? So that's what I want to offer. I want to offer a base software for you to be able to use it. And if that's what you need, it's perfect. And then for some other cool features or whatever, there will be a paid version. So again, if you're interested in joining me on this project, just email me at flashburnindeep@gmail.com, and yeah, we'll talk from there. I'm just going to keep developing, and like I said, I would really love to launch this by printing United. So hit me up, guys.